a great choice today with the 2020
Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features, and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, keyless ignition, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, daytime running lights, leather, alarm, head-up display, towing package, rear spoiler. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.